Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, my name is Natia Wai. I go by Beauty Rebellion, and if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's video is all about this beautiful chocolate brown wig that I have in now. This wig is from Alipearl Hair Company. Shout out to them because they did their big one with this wig. Like, it is super full. The hair is 250% density and is definitely giving that. Like, if I turn to the side, you can see how full it is. You can't even see my arm. Well, barely at the end. But like, you can barely see my arm through the hair. And y'all, we love that. We love that. So thank you so much, Alipearl Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful chocolate brown wig. I've been wanting to try this hair color for a long time now, so I'm so excited to show you guys how I installed it. If you like this wig, go ahead and check out my description box down below for all the details, and without further ado, let's get into the install process.
You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know, but I can have it around you.
I just wanted to jump in right here and say, I know you can see my cap, and at the end of the video you will see me add some makeup to my lace so that you won't be able to see the cap through the lace. But this lace is super thin and you can literally like see right through it. It definitely gives scalp. I'm wishing that I didn't put that cap underneath of there, but I did end up doing the wig install over after this video without a cap underneath at all, and my hair just braided down. So yeah, continue. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Alright guys, so that is how I installed this wig. Super easy. The only thing that I did off camera was the plucking process. I did not bleach this wig because I just didn't feel like I had to. The hair already came like a chocolate brown color, so the knots and the roots on the hair was not dark at all. As you've seen, I only used my Ebon lace bonding spray to tack it down with, a little bit of my wax stick just to lay down all the flyaways, and some edge control to get my baby hairs together, and we were back. Shout out to Alipearl Hair Company once again. I will definitely be wearing this wig for a couple days, guys. I can't let this wig go to waste. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear this wig for a couple days. Make sure if you are not following me on Instagram, you go over to my Instagram and follow me at beautyrebellion_. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you loved it, make sure you give me some feedback down below in my comment section. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
Make a pom, make a pom pom pom, make a pom, make a deep, a deep pom pom pom. Your body kakara, make a pom 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 on a magnetic.